What surprised me about Islam? If you've only heard about Islam from the news, there's a high chance you don't actually know what Muslims believe. Not because you're ignorant, but because Islam is usually talked about, not listened to. So in this video, I'm not debating, I'm just explaining what Islam actually teaches. And you can decide for yourself. In Islam, God is not a man, a human form, a physical being, or part of creation. Muslims believe in one God, completely unique, independent, and beyond human limitations. No hunger, no sleep, no need, and no intermediaries required to speak to him. That direct connection is central. Here's something many people don't know. Muslims believe in Jesus, not just as a historical figure, but as the Messiah, miraculously, a major prophet. In fact, denying Jesus removes someone from Islam. The difference is not respect, it's theology. Another major topic: women. Islam gave women rights to own property, inherit wealth, seek education. In 7th century Arabia, that was revolutionary. Now, culture and religion sometimes get mixed up. But those are not the same thing. The most common question: what about violence? Islam, like Christianity and Judaism, has historical contexts involving war. But the core text repeatedly emphasizes justice, mercy, protection of innocent life. In fact, killing one innocent person is described as killing all of humanity. Extremists don't represent Islam, just like extremists don't represent other religions. The Qur'an is not arranged like a storybook. It's more like guidance, reflection, law, spiritual reminders, and it has remained preserved in its original language for over 400 years. Whether someone believes in it or not, that preservation alone is historically remarkable. You don't have to agree with Islam. You don't have to convert. But understanding something before judging it, that's just intellectual honesty. And maybe the most powerful thing you can do is read it for yourself.